Insert crazy laugh, even getting crazier. Hello, everyone. So, recently, I've been wanting to do some more outside content, but my old GoPro failed to keep up and broke. It won't charge no more. I can't charge. I mean, the batteries are charged, but it won't charge. It won't work. It won't turn on. So I got a replacement. But it's not from GoPro this time. It's from DJI. Bam, 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 bam. I wished I got the Pocket 3. It's a little bit too expensive. And yeah, the DJI does have a content creators kit, but it was really hard in China to get the right price for the content creators kit. So I got some of the stuff, but I didn't get the microphone. Let's see what we got. It just come with accessories. Whee! Whee! Insert cam 2. Yeah. Tastes like cam. Oh, got a nose cleaner. Cleaning supply kits. Tempered glass for the screen. Lots of accessories. The little extra GoPro mounty things. Even there's no. Oh, that's a chest strap. I still taste the chemicals. It actually tastes terrible. It's getting worse. How is this getting worse? I'm probably going to have another type of cancer from this. All right. It is hideous. What is this, like a bobber for fishing? Oh, it opens up. It's so hollow. Yeah. It didn't go on the thing. Can't be thrown again. There we go. Is this one so small? Is this like the head mount? That's a jock strap, everyone. Get those crotch shots from those new OnlyFans videos. It's a head mount. It's weird because I think I got something else that's like that. Wrist mount. Yeah, they give me a whole bunch of accessories. Oh, it's a hat clip thing or a shoulder clip. And they give me a whole bunch. The chemical taste is just not going away. Tripod. Oh, this is the wrist mount. And the other one I don't know. Samsung Evo 128 GB. Micro SD to USB. A white box full of another selfie stick. More chemicals. And Osmo Action 4. The tears that come to my eye. I finally have a new action camera. Where'd my razor go? I'm gonna cut myself sticking my hand all this. I'm trying to find it, ain't I? Down. I guess that's what I get from throwing my shit everywhere. Ah, screw it. That didn't work out. That just hurt my tooth. Little plastics in my mouth. Here's a box. Cut the box. it. I lose it. Oh, I found it. Sliding so well. Yeah, my girlfriend's gonna yell at me for all this mess I'm making. It's worth it. Oh. Yeah, I knew it came with its own tripod. I have like so many Oh my god, I have too many tripods around the house now. Holy shit. Okay. Ugh. And inside, 2 little boxes. That was actually loud. Woo. I almost forgot to check if it was still recording. That would have been bad. Ooh. Oh, this is the camera one. I'm not opening that one first. I'm opening this one first. This one. Accessories. Oh, the thing I wanted the most. Ow. Ah. I need to get the microphone later, but 1, 2, 3 batteries. My most important thing I wanted. Next will be the sound. And this thing charges it inside the case. Oh, it's already turning. Yeah, blinky, blinky, motherfucker. It charges it inside the case so you can battery swap real easy. And then recharge the battery you just use on the go. It's like your AirPod holder. So it carries them and charges them. And I think it has a spot for SD cards. Yeah, they're kind of hard to access, but there's some slots for that SD card somewhere. I'm not really sure. Honestly. Oh, yeah, they're like right between. Yeah, that'll be kind of hard to get. So there's little spots for the SD cards to even hide in there. You get like 3 spots, 2 spots, 2 spots. Whatcha? Oh, the reason why I picked the Action 4. The other option would have been the Pocket 3, but I'm afraid it was going to break, and it's also too expensive. And that way you can just do the battery extender, switch. Because the Action 2, I do too much. China doesn't always have the best lighting during the daytime, and especially at night. So that's why I want one of these. Oh, that was, yeah, something like that. Type C to Type C? Oh, it's the little magnetic mount thingy. Cool. It's flexible. And now this one. This side. Camera. Holder. Case. Ding. Oh, I can open it. Yeah. Protect my baby for me. More GoPro sticky pad thingies. Okay. Another one of those clicky. Oh, yeah. And the camera. The camera doesn't seem to be pretty well safely packaged, but it's an action camera, I guess. I'll let. Ah. Action 4. The Action 4. Everything I was asking for. Yes. I still have no clue how to use this thing yet. I'm going to find out. Ooh. Can't even open the site. What the? I'm going to have to read a lot of stuff. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's the USB charger. This is button that does something. Oh, you push up. Okay. Ah, there we go. That's the battery flap. Gotta careful not to break that thingy. An SD card holder. Alrighty. Ooh. Is my face pretty? Hi there.